Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another installment of Solo Garage. We are going to be working on Project Adam once again, and we got some goodies from Downstar. Alright, I've actually known about Downstar for a long ass time now. Back when Modified, Super Street, Honda Tuning, all those magazines were still around, I'd see their ads in there. And this is actually my first time buying the product. So we're gonna open that up and see how they actually look. Go ahead and open this up. Get rid of that. So there we go. Get some cool Downstar stickers. If you guys don't know, he does have some Downstar boards. He was a big fan of Darkstar when he was younger, and so we decided to finally make some boards. Alright, so all I got was the Civic chassis hardware kit. It's 55 bucks. I just got that just to try them out. I also went with the blue zinc, and for the beauty washers I went with the gunmetal, just to more match the car. Alright, so the Civic chassis hardware kit is it's a 27-piece kit. 4 for the hood to latch, 4 for the hood latch to chassis, 6 for the top fenders, 2 for fender between door, 4 for the headlights, 1 for the overfloor stay, 1 for the radiator stay, 1 for the AC stay, and 3 for the hood latch. So alright, so all those bolts are 10 millimeters, so I'm going to be using a 1/4 inch ratchet with a small extension and a short 10 millimeter socket. So let's go ahead and get started. Better yet, we're going to take all these off. Once we got them all off, we're installing the Downstar bolts. So we got all the original bolts removed from this side except for the hood ones. I might actually save the ones down here for another day. But let's go ahead and install our beauty washers on. Alright, so here's a closer look at our bolts. And our beauty washer. And that's how she's gonna look. In order to install these new bolts, we're gonna need a hex set. I do have these Craftsman T-handle hex sets. So, and it is a size 5. And I'm already loving the way that's gonna look. So, we're gonna get the rest of them in, and then we'll be back. So for like the fenders and the lights, I recommend just taking one bolt off and then installing the Downstar bolt. That way you're not losing the position of the fender or the headlight originally, so just a little tip.
Alright, so the only way that I can really see removing and probably reinstalling the hood latch to frame bolts is removing this plastic here. Is taking off, and for that we're gonna have to take off our windshield wipers, and this already got one out. This one is a 14, and it helps if you bend these up and then try to pop it out. So
We're gonna remove that and try to get to those 4 bolts real quick.
As I expected, this one bolt here is a pain in the ass. I did end up loosening this just to get to that, and I finally got it loose and ready to come out.
alright, finally got those 2 in. Now to just hit up that side. Alright, so finally onto our last 3 for our hood latch. Unfortunately, we are probably gonna have to take off the bumper in order to get to this last one down here. So we're gonna take our bumper off and then get these last 3 on. Yeah, removing the bumper makes that a whole lot easier to access those 3 latch bolts. So, like I said, we're going to take these off and put our last 3 on. So we finally got these last 3 on. Got all these on. Those, the ones in here. Now we're just gonna mount the bumper and have a closer look.
Alright, so finally finished. Like I said, the hood latch to the body bolts were a pain in the ass to get to, and honestly took me a little longer than I would have liked. The rest was pretty simple, even the ones for the hood latch. Just a matter of taking off the bumper, which is really quick now. One thing about the Downstar bolts is not only do they make the car look a lot nicer, but they don't rust. These, for example, are just the ones that came with the Simon hood, and they've already got some rust getting on them. So that's pretty neat. Again, thanks to Downstar for the bolts. Pretty quick delivery, and just for making such a simple but elegant product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, drop some comments, smash the like button, subscribe if you guys aren't, and until the next time, I hope you guys stay safe, and see you guys later.